Becoming Awesome coming to you from Kobe, and my tiredness is hitting such levels that it isn't even funny anymore. Slept 3 hours last night, which means that I've slept average of under 4 hours over last 5 nights, so it's not I'm being angry just for being tired at the moment. But in any case, today I'm gonna talk about like kind of shortly about how I'm realizing that there's much more resources in me than what I even thought was possible. I mean, you don't need to go to the extent of sleeping 3 hours a night to like push yourself hard, but push yourself past that tiredness. But I've really had to do it this time. I mean, there's been no like taking breaks or quitting stuff, and I've kept doing my videos. I've kept editing them every day, even going to the length of staying up at 3 AM to like upload them. So there's never like excuses to like not do stuff. You always have resources. If you just keep at it, you will find second wins and third wins and fourth wins. And speaking of wind, I hope it doesn't ruin the sound quality too much. But yeah, I mean, just keep at it, and you can always like push through and find more resources in yourself. That's my today's like message, and I hope I can tonight get some more sleep, because this is not healthy at all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will get back to you tomorrow as always. Now the wind is getting unbearable, so bye.